Hey guys, welcome back. Today's a pretty good day because we're doing a giveaway. And the reason we're doing a giveaway is because Just Vlad finally hit 10,000 subscribers. And not did we already hit 10,000 subscribers, but we already surpassed that pretty quick. So 2018 was a great year for me, and I'm hoping 2019 is going to be even better. So in this video, I just want to say thank you and give a few items away. So the first item will be the G2000 gaming headset. So this is nothing too fancy, but you know, it's a pretty good little headset to get you started. And it definitely looks awesome with the glowing lighting around it. So for the second item, it's to a lot of my new subscribers, which is from the Logitech Shifter video, which has been doing outstandingly well and actually is my first video that hit 1 million views. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm super excited to give away one of these shifters. I wish I could give away a whole steering wheel set and all that, but I'll definitely consider that in the next giveaway. So if you're interested in this, go check out that video. So the next giveaway is a Bluetooth speaker. So this is not just any Bluetooth speaker. This is a very large one. It's a pretty unique looking one also. And it's also pretty powerful and it has a really good sound. And I do have a review on this thing too, so go check that out. All right, so the next thing is for my 3D printing, guys. I know I'm really new to 3D printing, but you know, I've got a really good reaction from the community, so I want to give back a little bit. I wish I could give you a whole 3D printer, but maybe next giveaway. But for this time, I'm going to give away 3 kilograms of PLA. So it's going to be the Amazon white PLA. So if you're interested in that, go check the links out in the description. So if any of these items don't interest you, I'm also giving a $100 gift card to Amazon, so you can buy whatever you want with that. All right, guys, well, thanks for subscribing to this channel, and hopefully you'll like the future content. I'll be doing a lot of reviews still, and printers, gaming things, just a lot of random stuff that I do. So all the links to the giveaway will be in the description below. So thank you again for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see more on this channel, then hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.